Welcome back to Diamond Drive. Today we're checking out the 2026 Mercedes E-Class, the car that doesn't try to impress. It effortlessly does. From the moment you see it, the E-Class looks sharp, clean, and extremely confident. The redesigned grille, the sleek LED headlights, and the smooth body lines make it look like a mini S-Class with a sportier attitude. This is luxury that doesn't scream, it whispers power. Under the hood, the 2026 E-Class comes with Mercedes' latest hybrid and turbo options, giving you smooth acceleration, instant torque, and way better efficiency. The 9-speed transmission and rear-wheel or 4MATIC all-wheel drive make every drive feel tight, planted, and classy. Inside, the cabin is pure Mercedes magic. 2 giant displays, ambient lighting, premium leather, next-gen MBUX with AI voice control. This interior feels so futuristic, it's like sitting in a luxury spaceship. And the seats? Soft, supportive, and perfect for long drives. This is where comfort meets modern tech. The 2026 E-Class also packs advanced safety features: lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, collision prevention, and full 360-degree awareness. Mercedes made sure this car doesn't just drive smart, it drives like it's thinking for you. On the road, it's silent, smooth, and confident. The suspension absorbs bumps like they don't exist, the steering is precise, and the ride feels balanced and premium, like a proper executive sedan should. At the end of the day, the 2026 Mercedes E-Class brings everything: luxury, technology, performance, and the signature Mercedes class that never disappoints. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Thanks for watching Diamond Drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more powerful car reviews.